Hello my dear children, how are you? So very close to NEET examination. So this is Suresh from Infinity Learn Sri Chaitanya Academy YouTube channel, and we are talking about organic chemistry, the most expected questions from mix matching of all chapters. Are you ready to do that, bacho? So in the last a few days of examination, I strongly recommend you never and ever focus on any new concepts, new books and all. Focus on the things you already studied and focus on the formula sheets and cheat sheet, and stick to the noteworthy points that are given in the NCERT. So stay calm, stay hydrated in the summer and do the best for your NEET 2026. So get ready for this big bash May 3rd. So we are continuously supporting every day. We are having a short session, sometime marathon sessions and all, everything one studio and many sessions. We are going to drive you till your NEET examination. Come on. So let us start this session, organic chemistry, most expected models of questions. So in that today we will discuss the first question I wanted to present in front of you. Before you just enter into this question number 1, those who are online, please like the session, share with your friends and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. So why late? We'll start. Come on. So here it is a statement 1 and a statement 2 questions. So the statement 1 is saying nucleophilic addition reactions of sodium hydrogen sulfide NaHSO3 to aldehyde forms a stable ionic adduct through the proton transfer of addition. Simple thing you see. So there is no mechanism, only one statement is given. Statement 2, nucleophilic addition of HCN to an aldehyde produces an imine directly as a final product. So HCN is given an imine. So it is said that statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Now let us see what is the correct statement here. Nucleophilic addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide. So C double bond O. Right, and aldehyde forms a stable ionic adduct through proton transfer. The addition takes place. So NaHSO3. So HSO3 minus is going to attack. So it is going to be like this, and SO3H is formed. So now the proton addition transfer takes place, so that it is going to be like this. So SO3. Okay, now this is a correct statement. Similarly, and this is a nucleophilic addition of HCN to an aldehyde produces amine. No, cyanohydrin is going to be formed. C double bond O, and it is going to add with Cn minus. You are going to see O minus and Cn, and it is a protonated to give cyanohydrin. Okay, not amine. So the answer 2 is the correct answer. So moving ahead, one more question, bacho, jaldi. A reaction of acetonitrile CH3CN with one equivalent of phenyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis produces a liquid P. The compound P will be give which test? So of course this model, you may say that organic chemistry means big equations and all jumbling type of things, but here it is a indirect simple statement questions. Those students who are online, please ask your doubts. Acetonitrile CH3 C triple bond N when it is treated with phenyl magnesium bromide. So this is a phenyl magnesium bromide. It is going to give you a Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent is going to attack here, so that you will be getting CH3 C PH and double bond Mg N nitrogen MgBr. So this is going to be hydrolyzed. You are going to get CH3 C double bond O and CH3. This is acetone. This is your acetone, right? And this acetone is going to give you tolerance test nahi denge, because aldehyde tolerance test will be given, ketones tolerance test will not be given, Hinsberg test will not be given, Hinsberg test will be given by the amines, and Fehling's test will be given by aldehydes. Fehling's test will not be given by ketones. Iodoform test will be given by methyl ketone. Iodoform test will be given. So option 1 is the correct answer for this question. You understand how to handle these questions. Right, bacho? Clear? So moving ahead, one more question I just want to give you. So rapid fire round. So the increasing order of reactivity of the following compounds towards the nucleophilic addition reaction. Who is going to give the answer for this question? Benzaldehyde, ethanol, acetone, butadiene. I am going to tell you here aldehydes is more reactive than ketones. This is the fundamental thing. And aromatic aldehydes is less reactive than aliphatic aldehydes. Aromatic ketones more reactive than aromatic ketones. So based on that, I want to say to benzaldehyde, ethanol. So here it is given, ethanol is going to be more reactive than CH3, CHO is more reactive than aliphatic and aromatic aldehyde is more reactive than ketone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3 is more reactive than, you will be having 2-butanone. So more sterically hindered ketone. So I just want to say this is the order of the reaction. Dr. Radiabat, all future doctors, I am here to present you the most expected nucleophilic reactions here. Whenever C double bond O is attacked with a nucleophile, so it is a partial positive charge, a partial negative charge, nucleophile is going to attack here. This is what is called a nucleophilic addition reaction. This is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction is directly proportional to positive charge on the carbonyl carbon. Positive charge on carbonyl carbon. That is the first criteria you need to take into the action, bacho. And also I just want to say nucleophilic addition reaction is inversely proportional to steric factors. So more is a steric hindrance, less is going to be the reactivity. Now based on these inputs, could you please tell me what could be the answer for this question? That is option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Any doubt, bacho? If you have any doubt, please use the chat box and please let me know what exactly your doubts are going to be. Moving ahead, one more question over here. Statement 1, on nitration of toluene with HNO3 H2SO4 followed by oxidation, 4-nitrobenzoic acid is formed as a major product. Statement 2, methyl group at ortho and para directing while NO2 at meta directing. So in the lights you can go, it's both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. So let's see here, it's a very short session. I just want to discuss a couple of questions. Nitration of toluene, you can see this is your toluene, and on treatment with HNO3 and H2SO4 you are going to get ortho. Methyl group is going to be ortho director and a para director, okay, CH3 and NO2, and among this is going to be the major product. And this is treated with oxidation by KMNO4, you will be getting para-nitro, 4-nitrobenzoic acid. It is true. It is true. And methyl group is ortho and paradector. That is also true. Both statements are true. In the NEET examination, you need to meticulously identify what statements are being given correct. Are they actually trapping you, or with your fear you get trapped? However, the question is trapping you, okay, that you have to check it. If the question is given in the linear path, but you feel that it is a trap, so that is going to be a real trap. You can't deceive by yourself. Yes, bacho, my dear future doctors, come on, let us talk about this and let us move ahead. One more question. Which one of the following will not yield a propionic acid after the final acidic workup? Propionic acid. If you see CH3, CH2, CO, CH3, so it is going to be ketone. Okay, so you are going to see this is the fourth option. Let me check what are the other things over here. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. It is iodoform test. So it is going to give you, break it here, CH3, COO, CH2, COOH, right? Propionic acid is given, right? CH3, CH2, CHO in oxidation, propanaldehyde, it is going to give you propionic acid. Aldehyde is going to give you carboxylic acid. Aldehyde will give carboxylic acid. Cyanide on hydrolysis gives rise carboxylic acid, CH3, CH2, COOH. Now let us see, this is converted into magnesium propyl CH3, CH2, CH2, MgBr, propyl magnesium bromide. This propyl magnesium bromide is treated with CO2 and followed by hydrolysis. You are going to get CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH, butanoic acid is formed. Butanoic acid is formed, but it is propanoic acid, so it cannot be the option. So you will be getting propanoic acid in these three cases. So in the NEET examination, each and every option you have to meticulously check into that, because huge competition, 25 lakh students are writing for NEET examination. So can't you feel this is a huge competition? But I know you are a smart student. Use all your abilities and do the best. What do you say? So those students who are online, come on, please like the session and come on, participate in the discussion so that we can have a energized class. Let us talk about one more question. Identify the major product formed in the reaction sequence. So when it is reacted with the sodium cyanide, 1, 2, 3, 4, so you are going to get a cyanide. If you get a partial hydrolysis, you are going to get CH3, CH2, 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 C double bond O, NH2 is not complete hydrolysis, partial hydrolysis. NaOH-Br2, you just simply remove this ruthlessly. This is Hofmann bromamide reaction. In this Hofmann bromamide reaction, you are going to get CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2 and NH2. So butanamine, N-butylamine. Answer 1 is the correct answer for this question. If you have any doubts, please let me know, bacho. Take a pen and paper and solve along with me. So NEET examination, the same models you are going to expect it. So what you are going to do in the last plan, in the last days of your preparation, simply participate in such discussions You want to take a mock test, that's well and good, you can take it. You want to discuss some MCQs, so discuss with us in the live session. We are here, I am doing all the MCQs and you can solve and you can participate in the kind of discussions with examples, with solutions and with explanation. The senior faculty is coming and discussing with you. That can give you which chapter is going on. Overall organic chemistry, I want to discuss it here, right? Have any doubt better? Insta file soul. Wonderful. Now let's talk about one more question. Who will give the answer, you or me? Take a time, waiting for you, come on. I want you to get you want to C and B. Pardeep Singh. Okay. Which of the following amines can be prepared by Gabriel-Thalmide synthesis? What is Gabriel-Thalmide synthesis? It is only applicable for primary aliphatic amines. Okay. And aromatic amines cannot be dimethylamine, benzylamine, aniline, trimethylamine. I want to say it is a benzylamine. So this is your benzylamine, primary aromatic amine, CH2NH2. Aniline aromatic amine, triethylamine, tertiary will not be participated, because when you see this is a phthalimide, alkyl chloride or alkyl iodide or any alkyl halide, it has to participate in SN2 reaction. That is the logic. So these are all prepared by the different methods. So benzylamine, if we want to make it from, it's a benzyl chloride can be used. Yes, the answer is going to be B. No comments on the others who failed or who gained. Okay, so that is not the way. That is not the way. Here you should develop a tendency that you give some answer. So let it be in this practice. It can be a wrong or it can be a right. If it is right, well and good. If it is not right, I am here to correct you. ताकि आपका जो examination समय में ना many corrections can help you to solve the questions. What do you say? What do you say? Really? Okay, doctors, let's see this question. होगा क्या? Pradeep Singh. Okay, what is your answer in this case? Come on, make it fast. Very less number of questions I want to discuss here in today's class. Let it be. CH3CHO acetaldehyde. You are going to get some CH3, CH double bond CH and CHO aldol condensation heating within. That is going to be B. Okay, that is going to be B. Direct aldol condensation, right? Now, if it is treated with PT and H2, so you are going to get CH3, CH2 and CH2 and CH2OH and PT or PDH2 excess. Double bond is also reduced and double bond is hydrogenated and aldehyde is going to be reduced to get primary alcohol. and CrO3 H2SO4, you're going to get CHO3 and the CHO2, CH2 and the COOH, carboxylic acid is formed. I just want to say the answer for this question is going to be option 3. Now, Instafile solve, you did not give the answer for this. Waiting for you. Yes, now you have given. Pradeep Singh, what is your answer here? Let it be wrong. Those who are online, please give the answer. This is called route mapping questions, or which are very important for NEET examination. In the NEET examination, statement 1, statement 2 questions, assertion reasoning questions, matching the questions, route mapping questions, and numerical will be there. In the numerical, there is no number is seen. We have to answer the numerical. Like that, so many questions we have to do. Come on, my dear students, the answer, the correct sequence of order of the reagent for the given reactions. That is a wonderful question, I can say. That is a wonderful question, I can say. Who is going to give the answer here? Who is going to give the answer? Waiting for your answer. So now let us see here. This is nitro group and amino group, NO2 and NH2. When it is treated with HNO2, you are going to get a diazo compound here, and NO2, whenever it is treated with the potassium iodide, now it is going to be NO2 and iodine, right? And again I want to treat with HNO2, SNHCl, FeH plus. It is FeH plus. Nitro group is going to be reduced to NH2. Again it is treated with the HNO2. Diazo compound is going to be formed. Already iodine is there now? Yes, iodine is there. Now, you want to do with HNO2, and you are going to see this diazo compound H2O, just warm it. So, you will get iodine over here and OH over here. So, the option for this question is going to be option 2. Pradeep Singh 7492. So, this time you did well. Okay. You are shifting to. Okay, very good. My dear students, one more question here. Acetanilide is less basic than aniline, and in acetanilide the lone pair of nitrogen is delocalized. So the answer is going to be 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. So this is a very important model of the question, right बच्चों? और एक क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं हम, come on. Now one more question over here. How many moles of carbon dioxide will be released when the following compound is treated and heated? Okay, treated with heat. So moving ahead, when a 2 carboxylic acid together on the same carbon atom, on heating, decarboxylation takes place. And one more important thing, beta keto carbonyl carboxylic group is going to be easily dehydrated on heating. So when you heat it, you are going to see this is a decarboxylated, one can be decarboxylated, and this is decarboxylated. So you are going to get this. And it is going to be double bond O, it is going to be double bond O. So 2 CO2 are eliminated. Now this is alpha and beta. This is alpha and beta. So this is further heated. I wanted to show in a single step, let it be 2 steps. You are going to get 2 CO2 and I want to say this is double bond O and a double bond O. So total 4 are eliminated. My answer is going to be option 2 is the correct answer for this question. What do you say, bacho? Option 2. Next, it is another one super question. It is another one super question. You said it is option 4 beta, option 4, right? So answer for option 2. Now moving ahead here, the structure of addition product formed by acetone react with the concentrated aqueous solution. Acetone reacted with concentrated aqueous solution, sodium bisulfite adduct. It is given as option 1. It is given as option 1, sodium bisulfite adduct. It is connected to the first question we discussed in this session, right? Proton transfer hoga. What do you say? That's good, wonderful, fantastic. So let us solve one more question here. And the reactions in which the product can show positive haloform test. And you are going to get pH C double bond O CH3. You are going to get H3O plus C2H6 you are going to get. And methyl magnesium 1:1 and acetaldehyde you are going to get CH3 C and CH3 double bond O. And it is going to give you CH3 C double bond O CH3. If you see these structures, iodoform it can be given, iodoform it can be given, iodoform it can be given. Do not give iodoform test. Option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Are you getting or not? Pradeep Singh? नीट एग्जामिनेशन का क्वेश्चंस पढ़ा रहा हूं मैं बेटा. राइट, वन मोर here it is a one more question. So here it is going to be toluene CrO2 Cl2 CS2 gives a Y, gives rise benzaldehyde. It is ETART reaction. In this ETART reaction, you are going to see the chromium complex. The option is going to be 3 is the correct answer for this question. ETART reaction, NCRT. It is direct application of NCRT. Yes or no? And which of the following alcohol on oxidation with PCC gives an aldehyde? Primary alcohol can give aldehyde with pyridium chlorochromate. Option 2 is the correct answer. Sanitesh Sri Shivakishore, right? Please, those who are online, please like the session. Yes, thank you. And I just want to say it's option 2. And or a question here, in the major product obtained in the sequence of reaction, nitrobenzene SNHCl, you are going to get aniline NH2. NaNO2 HCl, you are going to get diazonium chloride. H2O, I will get a beautiful phenol. Are you getting or not? Bacho, clear? So the answer for this question is going to be phenol. This is the first option is the correct answer. Yes, that's correct. And one more question. The acetophenone treated with methyl magnesium bromide. Again, it's a beautiful question. Acetophenone, this is your acetophenone, AC. CH-MgBr, CH3 MgBr. You are going to attack this, followed by hydrolysis. You are going to get benzene. It is going to be OH, CH3 and CH3. The answer for this question is going to be option 1 for this question. What do you say? What do you say, bachcho? Now we discussed so many questions. In the upcoming sessions, we are going to see some more questions, and as the time, I just want to take a very short lapse of time, and hope you like this session. Please share with your friends and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. So we'll meet again tomorrow and discuss so many questions. Okay, thank you. I am signing off. Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Learn Sri Chaitanya Academy studio. Stay tuned and stay motivated. Thank you.